Assalamualaikum, welcome to my lectureship channel. I hope you like my previous videos. In this video, I will provide some past paper of FPSC and PPSC. Number 1. The situation in which aggregate demand in the economy is growing at a rate reliable to lead to inflation is called. The correct option is option B, overheating. Number 2. An unincorporated business formed by the association of two or more persons who share risks and profit is called. The correct option is option C, partnership. Number 3. The period over which the cumulative net revenue from an investment project equals the original investment is known as. The correct option is option A, payback. Number 4. Sums of money laid aside and normally invested to provide a regular income on retirement or in compensation for disablement for the remainder for a person's life is called. The correct option is option B, pension funds. Number 5. A bank loan made without collateral security to a private customer for a specific purpose is called. The correct option is option A, personal loan. Number 6. What is the informal name of annual publications United Kingdom balance of payment? The correct option is option C, pink book. Number 7. The system of agricultural support by which market prices are fixed at above free market level and government buys surpluses, thus supporting prices and rising farmers' income is called. The correct option is option B, price support. Number 8. The part of the economy in which economic activity is carried on by private enterprises is termed. The correct option is option C, private sector. Number 9. A market that is dominated by few large suppliers is known as. The correct option is option A, oligopoly. Number 10. A loan facility on the customer's current account at a bank permitting him to withdraw up to a certain agreed limit for an agreed period is referred to as. The correct option is option C, overdraft. Number 11. The branch of economics at the level of individual consumers, groups of consumers or firms is known as. The correct option is option C, microeconomics. Number 12. The economic situation in which only a single seller or producer supplies a commodity or a service is called. The correct option is option A, monopoly. 13. The legal instrument that pledge a house or other real estate as security for a repayment of a loan is called mortgage. Number 14. The international trade and exchange between more than two countries without discrimination between those involved is called. The correct option is option C. The correct option is option C, multilateralism. Number 15. An industry in which technical factors preclude the efficient existence of more than one producer, the situation is called. The correct option is option A, natural monopoly. Number 16. Commodities or assets with some economic value which exist without any effort of mankind are called. The correct option is option B, natural resources. Number 17. 1994 Nobel Prize for Economics was awarded to American mathematicians for his most important concept of equilibrium as applied to game theory. His name was. The correct option is option A, John Nash. Number 18. The reduction in the useful life of capital good or consumer good through economic or technical changes as distinct from physical deterioration is used in terms as. The correct option is option The correct option is option C, obsolescence. Number 19. In the king demand curve theory, it is assumed that the correct option is option C. A decrease in price by the firm is not followed by others. Number 20. In game theory, the correct option is option D. Firm considered the action of other before deciding what to do. Number 21. In monopolistic competition, firm profit maximize where the correct option is option B, where marginal revenue is equals to marginal cost. Number 22. A monopolist face, the correct option is option C, a downward sloping demand curve. Number 23. Number 23. If a few firms dominate an industry, the market is known as. The correct option is option D, oligopoly. Number 24. In a cartel member, firm may be given a fixed amount to produce. This amount is called a. The correct option is option C, quota. Number 25. If marginal product is below average product, the correct option is option B. The average product will fall. Number 26. Firm in perfect competition face A. The correct option is option A. Perfectly elastic demand curve. Number 27. In the long run equilibrium in perfect competition, the correct option is option A, where prices is equals to average cost, which is equals to marginal cost. Number 28. Total cost increases from £500 to £600 when output increase from 20 to 30 units. Fixed costs are £200. Which of the following is true? The correct option is option C. The variable cost rises by £100. Number 23. The Gini coefficient measures. The correct option is option A. Income inequality. Number 30. Aggregate demand will increase if. The correct option is option D. Imports fall. Number 31. If the marginal propensity to consume domestic product is 0.9, the size of multiplier is 10. The reason for this calculation is that the formula of multiplier is equals to 1 over 1 minus MPC. Number 32. If the Keynesian consumption function is C is equals to 10 plus 0.8 YD, then when disposable income is £1,000, what is the total consumption? The correct option is option C, 810. To calculate the total consumption, put £1,000. To calculate the total consumption, substitute the disposable income £1,000 in the Keynesian consumption function and solve for C. Number 33. The accelerator assumes. The correct option is option C. There is a constant relationship between net investment and the rate of change of output. Number 34. In a regressive tax system, the correct option is option B. The average rate of tax decreases with more income. Number 35. The liquidity trap occurs when the demand for money, the correct option is option A, is perfectly interest elastic. Number 36. Inflation. The correct option is option D. Inflation reduces the purchasing power of a pound. Number 37. Free trade is based on the principle of. The correct option is option A, comparative advantage. Number 38. An appreciation of the currency is likely to occur if. The correct option is option C. There is an increase in demand for exports. Number 39. Stating that taxes should be raised to help the poor is an example of. The correct option is option B, a normative economic statement. Number 40. A PPF can indicate all of the following except the correct option is option C, consumer preferences. Number 41. A demand curve can shift to right by all of the following except the correct option is option A, a fall in the price of the goods. Number 42. A supply curve can shift to the left due to all of the following except the correct option is option D, an increase in the use of new technology. Number 43. The price of tomatoes is currently 50 per kilo and a shop currently sells 100 kilos per week. If it then produce price to 40 and find that it now sell 1400 kilos per week, its PED is the correct option is option C, -2. PED is price elasticity demand. Number 44. The price of tomatoes falls from 50 to 40 and tomatoes growers supply the same amount to shop. The PES, the price elasticity of supply is the correct option is option A, 0. Number 45. When the price of good X rises, the demand for good Y also rises. X and Y are the correct option is option C, substitutes. Number 46. When the price of good A rises, Number 46. When the price of good A rises, the demand for good B falls. A and B are the correct option is option B, complements. Number 47. Income elasticity of demand for an inferior good is always the correct option is option A, negative. Number 48. The effect of a fall in the price of a normal good is to the correct option is option B, increase in consumer surplus. Number 49. How many members does UN have? The correct option is option A, 193. Number 50. Which is the judicial organ of UN? The correct option is option A, International Court of Justice. Thank you for watching my video.